Now this is where I'll crash if I hit that fast, because I'm right there, I'm going sideways. There's a log jump. Okay guys, whew, stupid log was slick. Crashed the 300L. I don't even think I heard anything. Praise the Lord. Turn my mirror. Hurt myself. Hurt my pride. Sweet. Hang on, we're going to slip out on the moss.
There's a bunch of butterflies.
Oh, we seriously almost did.
Seriously. Good Lord. Ouch. My hip.
Your hip?
My hip popped.
Oh. Man, I did not expect that. Just go straight there and it did slip out. Woo, you gotta watch them low water creeks here in Missouri. You alright?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Wow. I didn't really expect it, so I was just joking. Sometimes they do get super, super slick. Oh, you kidding me? No.
There is a tree down up here. I wasn't joking.
Where?
Well, it's a limb.
Oh my goodness, Blake.
It's high off the ground, though.
Oh, whatever.
It's
An ugly third grader go over that.
not me.
Well, you're not a third grader.
He's not a first grader.
Oh, gosh. I can do it. You can do it. Ugh. You can't do it. You suck. Oh, yeah. I did it. Oh, Frank. You, an ugly third grader, can do it. No, I'm kidding.
Well, I am an ugly third grader. And I still can't do it.
Are you good?
I figured that's what would happen.
Yeah, that's pretty high up there.
Well, it was, huh?
I got it on camera.
I got it on camera too. My problem was I couldn't put my feet down when I kind of stopped and I had to put my feet down and I missed that log and my foot went down there. And
Sure, make
yeah,
excuses.
I make all kinds of excuses.
Ow! Can you get off of it, or?
Hey, an ugly third grader can get off this log. Look at that.
That's a pretty good way to clean your chain.
Who do you think I am, hot girl?
Oh, you can do it.
We'll see what happens here. You gotta keep the momentum up, that's for sure. Well, there. That's not how you climb the hill. But I make for good video anyway. Hit that grapevine right there, caught on my mirror, and it jerked my bars. That's what caused it, dude. And I gotta get this dude stood up, that's for sure. Wow, that's hard to do. Hey, where the fern grows. Are you serious? Oh man, I'm really stupid today. I'm not starting this day off good, people. You probably heard that because the camera hit the tree. Smacked the tree that time. Oh my. Can't do it. Not like that. Better off to get around backwards. But this hill's slick. Whew. I can't believe I fell over again. The same exact spot. Almost. Get a hold of it. It's a hillside. You guys could help. Mercy. He probably sitting down there waiting for us. There he is. Now watch him not see us till he goes on past. Watch, there he goes. There he goes. Darn it, he's seen us, I think. Oh, Blake! Yep. Wow. Blake, my God. You missed the road, Blake. You all right?
Yeah, we're fine.
Well, let's get your bike up here before the cops come by and wonder what's going on. See how bad it's tore up. Well, it will be tore up some, I guarantee you. Raise up on the front tire. Raise, pull up on it.
I knew I was freaking screwed. I didn't know what to do.
Yeah, you're screwed. It's still rideable to the house.
That was stupid.
Yeah. Say what you want while you're on YouTube so everybody think you're cool. This is trailblazing at its finest. And I'm screwed. Never screwed. Now that was a challenge to get took off in the middle of that. Oh, Blake.
I did it.
Hang on, that pipe will liable to burn your leg. I'm gonna fall down on the log now.
Yeah. Oh, I got my foot. That was kind of stupid. I hit that log sideways.
I don't know, but we just made good video.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it ain't on record.
No, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good.
You like good. You dang right. If I'm gonna crash, I at least want it on video.
Yeah, no kidding.